Most people get rejected for their first credit card for one simple reason: no credit history. And here's the truth no one tells you. Banks don't judge you on income alone. They judge you on behavior they can track. So if you are starting from zero in 2026, you are not stuck. You just need the right entry strategy. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to get your first credit card with no credit history, even if every bank keeps saying no. And more importantly, how to do it in a way that builds your credit fast so you can unlock better cards later. Now, let's get straight into it. First, understand this. When someone like Rahul in Mumbai or Jake in the US applies for a credit card with no history, banks see risk, because there is no proof that you can repay on time. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't need a premium card first. You need a starter credit product. The easiest option is a secured credit card. This is where you deposit money, say 5,000 to 20,000 rupees in India, or a few $100s in the US, and the bank gives you a credit card against that deposit. Now here's the key advantage most people miss. Even though it is secured, it still builds your credit score if you use it properly. But here's the problem. Many people get the card and then misuse it. They spend too much or miss payments. That destroys the whole purpose. So here's what you should do instead. Keep your usage below 30% of the limit. If your limit is 10,000 rupees, try not to cross 3,000. This signals responsible usage. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some banks and fintech apps also offer student credit cards or entry-level cards based on your salary account or savings account history. If you already have a bank account with regular deposits, you have a higher chance of approval even without credit history. And there is one more powerful method. Become an authorized user on a family member's credit card. If your parent or sibling has a strong credit history, their good behavior can help you start building yours. Once you get your first card, the real game begins. Pay the full bill on time every month. Never just pay the minimum, because payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score. So to wrap it up, start with a secured card, keep usage low, pay on time, and build slowly. In a few months you go from zero credit history to someone banks trust. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your country so I can make more specific guides, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns like this.